Aerial systems allow us to respond quickly to missing persons. It allows for safer searches, and it was just a need in this region. Well, the program started out of a lack of law enforcement aviation presence in this region. So this was a way for us to provide that capability in a cost-effective manner. We have groups that we're affiliated with or associated with, like the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, and they have units like the Child Abduction Response Team. We are a member of that, and this resource is incredibly valuable when it comes to looking for kids that are missing. We utilize 2 quadcopters and 2 octocopters. The adapters that we have are high definition cameras and thermal imagers. It allows for quicker response times, safer searches, and it fills that gap of not having law enforcement aviation support in this region. We have an incredible autism center. We have daycares. We have collegiate high schools. If any of our kids were able to escape the location and they go into a wooded area, we can build a perimeter to kind of secure that area. But in order to find them quicker, we can launch the drones, find them, and locate them quickly. It offers real-time intel back to incident commanders whenever a situation happens on campus or in the region, which we were lacking. I'm excited about grasping the technologies as they change. And in law enforcement, we're constantly looking for ways to improve what we do. We're looking for ways to save lives and provide a safer environment for everyone to live, work, and learn in. And as technologies change and become available, like drone units, we try to utilize them to be better at what we do.